So in this exercise we have two inputs, x0 and x1, where x0 is used to drive three outputs, y0, y1, y2, and x1 is used to drive other three outputs, y3, y4 and y5. So previously what we were doing, we were using x0 to drive all the outputs. So I'll make slight change in this program. I have to delete this line because otherwise it will drive other outputs as well. So to delete this line, I have to go here and press this C+D. And I just have to add x1 here by going here, then press x1. So now visually you can see that x0 will drive three outputs and x1 will drive other three outputs. So just compile it and send it to the PLC. Now you can see that now when I press x0, it will drive three outputs as you can see, and by going to x1 it will turn on other three outputs. That's very simple. So we'll see the practical application in the trainer.